This is the new Galaxy Z Flip 6. I traded in my Samsung Galaxy S23, so I'm gonna show you um, just a quick like unboxing of the Z Flip 6. This is the box that it came with. I ordered the mint green color, so that's the box. It came in a block box, and it's the same thickness as the Galaxy S23, and it does have that usual cover in the screen when you first get it, and then well, it took me a while to turn it on because I had to figure it out, but it's at the side. But same thickness as the S23, just for comparison, because that's what I had to trade in. That's the first time I got to flip it, so I wasn't sure I'd like this one, but I did. It's actually a cool phone. It's like going back to the old phone, but much cooler and nicer. Trying to turn it on now. I didn't look at the instructions, so I was just pushing the buttons at the side. And now it turned on. See, that's it's just turning on right now, so it does have that camera, and then the screen, there's also a screen when you fold it, and I just took the cover off. And the usual with new phones, you have to set it up, but for this one I'm gonna show you how I set it up. And what I did was I just copied everything that I had, pictures, videos, files that I had on the Galaxy S23. So basically you're just gonna follow the prompts on the phone. Usually Samsung is gonna make you agree to stuff, so if you want to read it you can. It's good to read it, but I didn't. You can look it up later on. So after that, it's gonna give you instruction on how to just copy files, pictures, videos from your old phone. It says easy setup, which I can agree it's easy. So all you need to do is scan the QR code. So get into your camera on the old phone. Mine is the Galaxy S23. I did that, and then as soon as you've done the QR code, you will then be able to do the setup. Just give it a wait a little bit. See, I'm showing you how it's the same size. It's just this one is foldable, which is very convenient, and again, it's really cool. I wasn't sure I wanted to flip before, but it's like going back to the old phones, but much cooler and nicer. Again, showing you the setup. I had to redo it because it wasn't working. Hit the buttons of the agreements or acknowledgement you agree off. It's just easy setup with the device. And again, scan the QR code. I think I might have replayed this, but it's fine. You will see. So there it is. You can't scan it with your face, so make sure you scan the code. So here it is. It's gonna take. I have to put it in a time lapse, or I made it the video faster because it's gonna take minutes, a lot of minutes for that to happen. So make sure if you're leaving it, you go back so you can follow the prompts to continue the transfer of files, videos, cameras. It was actually pretty fast. I thought it would take like hours and hours. Um, Probably 30 minutes, but it depends on the file that you have in your old phone. Because I do have a lot of video files like from the old phone. So again, follow the prompts. That's just how easy it is. It's scary because that's how easy your phone files can be copied. If anyone has ever have access to your passwords, and also you have to make sure you keep your passwords and your codes. So I let it sit for a little bit, make it do its job to upload all the files, documents. Well, I don't have documents, videos and pictures that are in there. I traded in. There's an AT&T Next that I've subscribed accidentally, so here it is. It's starting. While it's processing, you gotta make sure you keep checking it just in case. But it does move fast while it's copying your file, your photos and videos. You can start setting up your whatnot. You can start. You just have to follow the prompts. I apologize. Again, if you're leaving the phone, you're gonna walk away from it. You need to go back and check on it because there's some prompts on apps or anything that's on the old phone that you need to add. It's not gonna carry over your login, so be sure to have them ready. Because once the new phone is set up, you're gonna have to put in all the passwords for the logins. There's always a prompt on the old phone, so you can agree on what to transfer, what file to transfer, what app to transfer. So in my case, I did transfer all of them. So again, I find it easy. I didn't have to read the instruction. That's why it took me a while to turn it on. But the new phone came with instructions. It came with a box for you to return or your trade-in, which in my case I have to return my trade-in. Otherwise, I would have to continue the monthly payment. And it's moving. It's gonna take a little bit, but just be patient. It's gonna continue with all the uploads, and it's gonna say you're all set. Once it's done, you do have a way of deleting that from the old phone.